Oh, sorry. I was just looking for a medication. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. Fellas, are you trying to get a girlfriend? Do you have a sad love life? Well, I'm gonna show you a method on how to get any girl to be your girlfriend. And ladies, you can verify this too in the comment section.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Is it coming?
Right.
I just got scared and I just got Maddie's.
You know that's a burp.
Ooh, no. Can we get going?
Send that to me. Can you give us another one?
No. Guys.
Okay. I just want to. Wow, that doesn't smell like anything I ate today.
The ABCs.
A, B, C, E, E.
Hey, I walk around like.
I'm gonna be going live in like 30 minutes. My stomach hurts. I ate a lot of pizza.
Oh mamma, mi scappava, ti mi hai dato da mangiare come un porco, adesso ho finito, basta. Cioè, oh, ma l'educazione del porco sta bene, amen. O no, ragazzi, se dici io.
Burping challenge.